Yup matie ka bieno la kelia ye.
Melbet, something you can bet on.
But for the first time, imahadwong tutwal Uganda ochwalo well-known ma jolwoni athletes me were Tokyo Olympics compared to Namacho Mon, I think 13, and then of course the men are there 10. 12. So mono a little bit of improvement. And of course with some rare sports among Berie, then having a sport like in athletics, berokere mwecha nuo dana pool paying mwaje Uganda tutwal mono shida leni koni ulo into details. So ultimately kong wanen kong local Olympics Tokyo 2020 but mapotpo lo hamitu kajol Alexander Okidi online. Alexander tie kenyu
Atie watika atie
koba ngo
da ti mabe
guluti nini
da guluti mabe kwa tekan.
Okay, ber ajolo tutwal beri line kenyu kumbet ni wabichi ero ka logo pi Tokyo Olympics 2020. Fine. Uganda chia bichu karo President Yoweri Museveni na dit lobowa uchwalo team flagging off ukoboni flagging off le mono flagging off team athletes me Uganda poni team cho is captained by Stephen Kiprotich senior oloyo medali me gold mwaha ile fario kera para Rio and then team Anyira is captained by Halima Nakai and it world champion me 800 meters. So kaina na be President Museveni ukobi Johnny we gin water bed gin kere discipline then Mario Mier po water mingling kere dano iloka COVID tika kanu akaina na akena ikum to any Tokyo Olympics watike the sport mia deki piera deki abongwen and then medal events are in 42 different venues across Japan. So kabera papa piera when we are Rio in Japan papa that is where the medal events are going to be. And then action achake in Indo Piero Chel Medwema deck in Indo deck Indo Piero Chel which will be a Wednesday Medway enemy. And then of course Tuhumacha haber women's football Karachel kill softball competitions. So kainena bel team Anyira work in a team 25 athletes comprises of and then para swimming gantikano then para power lighting and then ngatachiela tikere para shooting then of course boxers. Intermitting okum this time round team Olympics work kere.
Yeah, me medalera titiri kajo winyo loke para dano rota mukani para kodingo paralysis kodingo para kajo kobuni para shooting in terms of Olympics mono eno jo ame goro jo ame tikera ngwal gino wod gini though ti gini kero Olympics gi special eto under these Olympics ti disciplines okena mejo kwanyo otemi yogi woro me goro me warrior. So Ugandan team amete war Olympics. I think ti on record this is the year me Uganda dotero jo aduonga lo me war Olympics. Kita me kobu kere jota chwalo otuka mon Piero wa beach. I think
Piero Beach para day. In total there are 25 athletes.
Yes, you Uganda tetero jo in total jo Piero wa beach. I think this time atikita dia neno kere Uganda marduo kere gold medal adek. Kita tia neno kere in these Olympics. Ngata miro jo nene dero i Olympics yene Cheptegei oberu machine Cheptegei peti dano bo robot Cheptegei ti robot Cheptegei mwesho balo na hawia Cheptegei setting record dere kene ten doctor duogo doctor breaking doctor setting doctor duogo doctor breaking.
So in Kenya no Cheptegei tamni ami wa gold medal gine mere
Cheptegei 5,000 kede 10,000 miro gwok Cheptegei kakano.
But only 5,000 apiyemgi kara chel kere Kiplimo Joshua Jacob Kiplimo.
Yes, Kiplimo mwesha ber eto ing'eyo ng'wech gina jolwoni pacemakers. So gina Cheptegei gina me this senior athletes timo gin woru gini kere ti jo ame gin kero gini as their pacemakers so ka ye contra chair in koni ngo in woti pacemaking kada no 5000 koni in 2000 te falling out nuta set end pace kere the likes of Rhodesia petie world champions bekelegi petie this is a platform for Cheptegei medu kere gold medal
and then in the other side kay neno group anyira category anyira tikere gine of course Chengat Chelangat
yeah
and then of course tikere Halima Nakai
na Yondo
Winnie na Nyondo but our special interest beru kom Shida Leni atin wa metungma me Uganda but from West Nile and qualifying award which for 400 meters
400
meters
and 200
a sprinter sorry very sprinter ngomi twero no komatini ichani chati mo masters mere by the way at Bugema University
obero Uganda tikere gum by the way Shina Leni obero the only athlete in East Africa now representing is sprinting
yes
they are representing and mwesho 200 kere 400 kere 400 kere mwesho ngo relays mwesho relays obero my personal friend
but this time she's not going for a relay
better what relay because you Uganda produce it mwecho t award for 4000 so sorry 400 so Shida tia mwecho meti very tricky I don't think Shida Romo nyutu tutwale gino because 400 wanongyo semenya the South African and I obero world champion mwaka Paul in that race.
All right. Welcome to Alexander Okidi. Alexander, it's here no?
Yes.
Now you win your story 1K studio kanu lo habe lo pa Tokyo Olympics. Tell me tiningo.
Ya Olympics mémoire ene. Ya papatement d'optier, puis en un team par le Uganda. Goyo pe e mal mal. Meti arturo mémoire ane. Aber que nan tincha Diamond League sketma Alima Nakai o certo ngojo kwere setting national record kadong pero beating personal best again kinanyo do mountain of bay 1500 meters mano ne tila nyotni ruam metu ngoj ilo Uganda competitio irmalo tiano tiano marba mi ke mej ngoj gen tika kato chunji e bom mala mal ma ngiyo ni uluto e wangne wati ki biak ne uluto ginna be obinan ilo kumturo ngoj pengoj ki kan ento generally Olympics mo mara ene Uganda you pek comme ye ma tiki gan ni tamarwata ki tampa Freda Kena ni uluto wango binongo gold medal e mara ene turo Olympics ma tiki nano gold medal ene obobino ilo kumwaj ana yu bukele wa wara ene ma dirti lo Uganda kiplimo putwa watwara wa kana wako lakini putika nyoro ne ene twara pie me mala mal gen ki septige gobo kele wa wara kele wa bora nyara ben paraj piane alima nakaya tiki gen ma dirti abirka nano waj kanoni uyo mo tunya mata ma ene kikan anero talo Uganda mo ga ene gobo berka wa ma dirti donc ma an tika meto mi donc mo talo tamma e le comture ene ni Uganda kong general federations ma te Uganda miaro kongo jakketo tamgi kan nano ne investing lo me coaching watikelo mo ma duwa tay but bin ma papa tele Uganda ento diero fere magitika kete komgi piani mo coache zati ma nok to twale lo Uganda
Alexander
well talent timo Paul
ati mita penyi kong penyi moro kan kenyu la diet makiloni Moses Mohanji obero president pa boxing in Uganda uchoyo warga ki minister maneno lok pa fonye minister maneno lok pa sports Uganda honorable Hamson Obua moro inindwa bero ninda pa medwe enemy ma ikin key points men wajoni kim joma ki chwalo pitiar for Olympics kenena mabe yes athletes gere ki chwalo enter the technical team in terms of coaching. In only a boxer actually what Uganda actually boxers are there. But now in only ikin boxers are there itiki coaching staff actually. Now it only maybe Naziri tika goyungum I stadium mukene. Then maybe Shadil tika mukene. Nyo maybe Shida Leni tika ngwejoka mukene. Mo mi Uganda team in terms of first of all and coaching long mechualo dano kagiti chair for Olympics. Ma instead of terror officials maduong tutwal but the technical team umier walok pair kenyu
go ya adong gene kombir dong ke lo galara Uganda weng officials you are there we are there
for boxing mo chero
the officials tima duong to National Council of Sports ka tel ministry o mior kwek lo mela dog maduong ko beri lo tour di pierre we bi ent officials kita twala we pierre de we mi jar ka timo ngom an kay neer ben titles pa jo enoni pole donc ber ka forging e wel man ko ti coordinator be ko man ti coordinator be ko duplication of work eni o mior ki mi expose both coaches a ye piani ka ini ti kilo tour marama der magenti jar ka tour boxing be ga twala ko ta tel ke kan wi gati ario ka kribu ka tel be lo wi ta tel kan ma eni ikin officials man no kiti twala ni no mior ki nan discipline ngo meturu ma Uganda tika twala boxing mior coaches ario der imwe coaches aria der we coaches kan bucher bu ponye ke kuno ngoma be magunano no gi wota cho ne gi dugu chen ka ke med donc ponye jo mukera ne tincha wan wa kero i Japan i tour olympics wa timo ko man miste go berti ko man ngoko ber ko man coaches eno ni be donc bino ke konyo tour magu cher olympics ken ento waru tour ma donc gang magu ber ko nena no coaches en kan expose kan ke ngi papol maguno ke kuno ne gi dugu mi kilmal rom mi tour i Uganda ento jo mon magu kero title ma be we are getting it done chante ki Japan erone gena geti ga neko to Uganda
okay
ma am ton bois miero ko nani gen erone ke timo lok ma tan officials ma duong lo to woni diga kelo le wit ma dit ma da ko wan Uganda
okay so one or four to 12 tami ikom lok pa Tokyo Olympics and atamo bene and bene at where mer duara kenyo ni kay neno maber officials magi chwalu shuwali anone ticheti little bit exaggerated ati meti dong wachet kong straight away nen kong tuhu pa rugby in Uganda mantino lo kum rugby panyera the rugby lady rugby cranes magi wo maki karachel ki Zimbabwe dire ne chan der kakanye gang wakan e chadondo rugby grounds ala wo winyi waloro wiye captain pa rugby cranes me lady rugby cranes me Uganda former captain actually former that is Winnie Atiang uwachiwa ngomati camp erotin ni koni wabiloro ki Philip Michael Walker ma beneti captain pa rugby cranes by the rugby sevens but Anna be one of the mentors pa again so yen kirmiti neno kire kumbe Alexander dugu borika chaken ke akena tamiti ni ngokum turo pa rugby mega mon in Uganda and performance waki Zimbabwe buberu nini
yeah I think Uganda timu dilamon me rugby pobero tima me ori tutwal o eto kita metia peki gini kere ap tia ber twal oneno to tia bino to gachela the current captain I think Nyanek the current le kurumon
captain pa lady rugby
yes so kai tikere kodo tukono itikere anek itikere chirabo kodo tukono rom steering forward eto Zimbabwe better following Zimbabwe international rugby for the male side working in a World Cup so I think inspiration ame Zimbabwe nuo from the male side Romo Konyo na had the female side me prevailing over Uganda
because training you know those are one of the training sessions pa nyera magiti yopeke na miero actually the captain of the peace le kuru
mono captain me chani and game situation eto at a little bit disappointed ke the training the branding team very poor national team po Romo ruko yellow green white coding national team jopeke de ataya ame mejoro ruko so Uganda mira adjusting national team po bero gina titiri
okay ma football kelo Michael Walker okay tamiti ngo to ma nyira gubu to which de enemy gen kere Zimbabwe e chadondo rugby grounds
preparation check about maber abedu training panyera I think they're heading the right direction engia near good to Congo rugby for almost
sorry some technical problem can you call win kong got Alexander Kiri kadong wakel Michael Walker Alexander tamiti ngo
I think again ma diet Uganda betimu ba and ma wan watike nano kompeti rugby pa mon me Uganda obino ma tala dogi patriote pa Uganda women rugby union dier magu kate kwere ene menero ni ki kwanyu rugby yo ki Kampala merke actually ne up country iteng pin matelo Uganda wero la meg matike dier betu rugby level mala mal mawtu ko le Uganda makilone Ellen koyo buteme makombere fitness coach me Express Football Club ana you berka ward ikin ping chake mwagali vario kapara ngwen mwagali vario kapara bi la para biro mecha kuneno ni no lu tu rugby mabejo matiken penye neno captain ko be Aki West Nile vice captain en ma ko be tia ne Patricia o cha ko tu rugby ma ana neno ki kidgum ma no pud anati ko no la tiene eno cha ko tu rugby ki kidgum down college diet mo chawliye.
So moro bukonyo wa nining tu waki Zimbabwe diriko one no ke focus
ko gin mo bukonyo wa enani diet ko manek ke pegbalo dui mo madongbe pelare.
Okay.
Latine ngweji mada dokbene katika ngweji dilo kerde go ni pebi raro. Manyuti speed mamegani ke diet pa komani tika konyo matek to twal mangi ngene diro bukela yele diet da penen tu nyimba ko diet ento pe ngweji ne wa ento nyim. Forward. Ki asike gani medeki neno jumukene kero ko berti kwere kaneno kumbedi botwa pe jumatika neno Wando TV enone ko beri West Nile na tule la me dokel kuja rugby team be
Alexander wakong do win kong interview matimu kere Michael Wokorach kong mi wakong updates ngo mati I camp Lady Rugby Cranes me Uganda in preparation paturo madire
preparation check about maber abedu attending training panyera. I think they're heading the right direction. Ingia good to Congo rugby for almost 2 years. Ma at the moment gitie rusted. Pien gubedungo good competition. Eto I atie confident near management timu teach maber. Could coaches gin weng guberuka timu Jamie maber. At the moment, Jamie weng take what as planned. So team Matie is a mix of youth and experience. The team is good. It is looking quite good. It has experience, the youth who have also put their hands up and say, I want to play for Uganda. And I think come next Wednesday, it's going to be a good game against Zimbabwe. And I'm confident we will get that win at home. Pien Kai Watieka took for pride. So I'm very sure this is coming home.
Well, yes. Michael Walker, right. That statement of this is coming home. Well, England will come over. Well, but that is a very good motivating factor, Michael Walker, right. In a second, Alexander Okiri Ngomaini, it was reacting towards captain's local captain, Walker, right.
I don't think again, both Uganda, Pudabikere, England.
Yeah.
I think again, come Lutina Nyerawani, Yanagin Mabirka following kit to rugby, Mamake Bina Matel speed team back.
Okay.
So rugby is about white matek. You don't burn a care, Mirkubeti, Guvu, Mirkubeti, Romana Mal. Ma combination for speed, Kiguvu, any Maria skills, Madongarang Tieni. A Pega Kala, Uganda, Dire, Tawa Bear, Medichang, Kono, Wamapurati Kampala, no Anabiko, Oiba.
Mano, by the to remind people, Alexander Abidu Bori, Quebec line Kenyo. By the way, we down from Mano Popakera, Alexander Kidney, because of COVID, fans Popo Bertie Diba, and talk, Joe Magipi Muki COVID test, Chalo, journalists, Gianagu Bertie and accreditation, Benete. So, Akena, statement one, Jim Mukanti, me to Hermeto.
Iloka rugby?
Yes.
I think Uganda, Uganda chani and kita me wako rasho wachokede. Uganda tikede a blend of tukatino kede tukadon. So mixing tukuni and karachel, konyo experience kede ngo kede exposure. Because of tino tia nyuta exposure, eka jadon tia nyuta experience. So kita matia nenoke Uganda is not that bad. Eto ginamiro ginge tia tukugini a very organized team in the name of Zimbabwe. Ame male team gi warna World Cup.
Okay, me wakong prediction in sitting up.
Rugby, new rugby galoka scores go Pierre Beach.
Scores, yes. What do you think? Uganda
kita matia nenokede awaha metu hopashu Uganda lo deal.
Okay. Yeah. Alexander Kili prediction iti la big eating on.
Ana pega kala Uganda vuloye mer yuba yot twan. E kom tu kom direne.
Aya better for you. Now, straight away, what for you to twal a contribution we come rugby. No amira teru dong ala story. Lokpa apora nya koya jalu luonya akoya. Mobe chimire magwe ilembe pa mupira enikele mutimire yoringe ma England utugu karasiel ku Italy ma England jugamji loy of course the penalties gola adek iwiario jadin maju longo Southgate o wacho lembe maju keto kumecha kum jurutugu maju wecho kum Marcus Rashford Bukayo Saka magi failing kagoyo penalty shootout obele marach magwe magi belongo polisi omako intervening into the matter. And then the Duchess of Cambridge, they I was near his second, near a window little magway, the near Akoya Koya. It harmonia the black movement, Muberutieni, Black Lives Matter. Okonyo mupira, okonyo apo Akoya Koya mirugilu.
Otemo konyo because kepo yikare mori kano eno English Premier League otim adopting jote chako woro loke Black Lives Matter neno chi jodisho rumu ping Premier League eka jote miyo that moment of silence pi dano machol dusha moto due to racism. So I tu borra chalo bala na Freda Kena ana kwero loke apoha medelcom apoha nyo fans England ti very funny. Fans England take situation o timere gin chaho gini donyu gini get a lot of excuses. Gina motimere in 1998 England otetuka Argentina. Atuhugia chiel David Beckham unyono Diego Simoni, the current coach Atletico. Jeremy David Beckham red card. England te wara nyim England te losing odilo no. Jote yet of David Beckham Manchester United te jolo David Beckham te koni David Beckham poyo bino pashu. David Beckham nutim announcing international retirement oko. Eto Ferguson te lokere David Beckham te duogo. Man of tida hatimere do hechani.
Fine, now we can't kill Alexander Okiri. Afoyo tutual nga moni muchoyo ni mono Mario Balotelli. Balotelli uchoyo sentiment wani African countries nyo logo medel chol umieru gu yuptugo gi Africa wek lo tieno me Africa gudu ku chaka tugo Africa pe weko ki yebgi kirama ki yeru ki Saka gi Marcus Rashford ki Sterling gi and whatever get lo tugo mapopon mapapar.
Yal erone be barute lo tame ande ya dak lo we lo en ngat mo ke kan ti ke twa lo ber ka mo kan just like it ma ina chuli rama guru char ber kampala la bo yela mi ra papa mo bete o ber twa ni me ber kama ina no ina ramo ber gonya ye roma ni en ye ko ene yo wa lo nyudi pa Bukayo Saka a ki Nigeria ko London ila ko England lu ñuri pa Bukayo Saka wañ mena wake wona wañ ci ñu level bu Nigeria piena ke ñu ala en ki London ba ko yefana yeki en mi tuko bu England gin mawti me ke yeto tiena ene eroni bere wala to man tigi mona reo kada ko ma en marni wa ye cero goy da ko ma en degene ye o wa yet mono mi ke yet ke coach aye ko mbir donc tiga yeto kilo tieno ene Bukayo Saka gen ki Rashford gi ni piena ko bal penalty and to Africa.
Union.
Yes, Pogba is 100% black.
Alexander, chawa wa peti mabe tutual ati miti chi kong dano dong wek kongo wek studio ke jo mo kene bere.
Amir wa lo kati legan. Amir wa lo kati legan lo tour ma chol genom yor ko team enemy yor ko chap tay mo na chaya e lo kuma por me kala del kom 2014 Dani Alves fans par Real Madrid o cielo en ki la bole carmo tika tuko pe Barcelona o kwani la bole eno ne o chamo eno gin mom yor lo tuko ma chol go tak ki mo ne kay nen ki tika chani nyera kala del kom penyor riako
afoyo tutual Alexander in a second
gina mafoyo apoyo jo me loto FIFA yate kwero loka poha Manchester United yate kwero Euro UEFA yate kwero aneno CAF da yate kwero so Uganda team amete Olympics alege giwunya ber tigi ni gero to haber the likes of Steven Chisa gero to haber Musagala Cheptegei Kiplimo alege giwunya ber poyo
fine foyo magwe po ni a star player Muhammadin Otie none other than Shida Leni mamindo weshinya ebe shiringo mwesh majulongnia sprinting 200 meters ko 400 meters wa legunia edong maber odongo nen profile pare angom konyo kore but ko ni angat mo sholo program eni ni ai sawa bungen paka sawa par otie none other than Melbet betting company chomo betting ko ge maber anyinga beru adong sara super lady wonen kenu urwo same time bye bye.
Yup matie ka bieno la kelia ye